The Senate impeachment trial court remains uncertain about how the withdrawal of some prosecution witnesses will affect the duration of the trial. Senate impeachment court says this also depends on the House and defense team's presentation of their evidence. IBC correspondent Daniel Manalastas has the details.
Despite withdrawal of some of the prosecution's witness for their fourth article of impeachment versus Vice President Sara Duterte, the Senate Impeachment Court says its impact on the length of the entire trial proceedings remains uncertain.
Yun yung expectation natin, pero yung realidad niyan, syempre, iba naman yung mga ebidensya na ipapakita rin ng prosecution.
It can be recalled that the impeachment court earlier approved a total of 92 trial dates, 62 days for the prosecution panel and 30 more days for the defense. During the first 6 days of the trial, 2 witnesses from the prosecution have so far been presented: NBI Senior Agent John Mark Calilong and NBI BARM Director Jeremy Lotok. And even though the Senate Impeachment Court deferred on Monday, July 20, their decision on whether to subpoena or not VP Duterte's bank account and tax records, Attorney Reggie Tonggol said the senator judges may still ask for more time to decide.
Pagdating ng Lunes, baka may mga bagong mga legal theories or schools of thought na naman na lumabas sa debate. However, that is just in the realm of possibility.
And what we have so far is the possibility of NBI Director Melvin Matibag taking the witness stand next week for the prosecution. Daniel Manalastas, IBC News.